we're down to 55 here, and I was wondering when my furnace didn't come on. I got home a little early, so I thought it was 5. It's 5:08, and it didn't fire. And I look over there, it is fired. So there's Mr. Furnace again here, and so I got a little Regnut fix that's been working all winter. Let's go take a look at it. Hi, Mr. Happy. How you doing? This is all that snow we got. Temperature has been floating up and down. Oh God, this is deep. Oh, dog bomb. Oh boy, that's that snowdrift is a foot and a half to 2 foot deep. Oh, I'm gonna be wet. Up the boot. Here's our tank, and there's our redneck fix for holding it together. Our lock and pliers failed over. The ones that were holding it for 5.5 years, so I got these out. Oh boy, look at the snow. Problem is the temperature's been going up and down like crazy. It goes all the way up to 35, 40, 45 for parts of it. And then sun's out sitting in this tank. And so this is a lot of snow. This is okay. Burgundy shovel. All this snow came in. Literally 2 days. So I clean all of it off. As you see, I picked up my friend here. We'll see what's happening is it's producing so much moisture as I only have a half a tank. It's somewhere like, I don't know, somewhere in the middle. So, the last time I undid it right here, right there, and it was, that's how you just melt this phone. I undid that coupling right there, solid. That was open. I was like, that's wrong, it's pouring right out. And we'll get a little heat to it. Don't have to heat it up too much. Don't need to boil it. Just need to heat it up. See what we can do this time. I haven't done anything. I'm just taking from previous time. Unless this furnace wants to be a pain to me. This year, 2012. Started getting new guts in it a year and a half ago. Oh. I need the thing for the valve. Brother-in-law's dad took the tank when they moved out of the place. My sister and my brother-in-law, after they got married, ended up not using it, and I ended up moving out here. Oh, that down there, that oil's got to be hot. It's like melting it. That's definitely on fire. So, heat that up. It's got to be heated by now. That's some deep freaking snow. Snow was blowing like crazy, 40-mile-an-hour gusts. Oh. There's a good old F-150 buried. She needs some work. Blah. I'll give you a show on that one later. Stay out here crazy. You're chewing stuff up in the house, so you're done. You can have a chill out. Oh. Whoa, it's a little slippery. Better go kill that music. I won't like it online. gotta move that tank inside. It's gotta be undercover if it's gonna stay out there. The weather we've been having. Another year could happen like this. Oh, excuse me. Rum and Coke. After 5 long days at work. And some long drives to work. You'll see the videos on there. Probably an hour and a half to an hour and 45. Usually it's an hour. We'll be getting heat soon. Hard to do a few things at once. I'd like to open that chute there while pressing this button in and holding this camera. There, kicks in. Maybe I fixed it. So there's a little tip for you guys. You've got a Becky burner, oil burner. I'm running kerosene outside because it can get really cold like tonight it's going to. Down to about 0 Fahrenheit, and the temperatures are going up and down like crazy every day, and the sun coming out on and off. It keeps producing moisture, condensation inside the tank, and all that floats down to the bottom. When it freezes, when it cools down, it freezes it, and freezes the line. A little blowtorch outside, and we're good to go. Now, if the tank was inside, this wouldn't happen. So that's good. Well, there's a little tip for you guys. If you have an outside tank and you have the line outside and the timber goes up and down and you thought everything was going good, that could actually be your problem. It could just be simply the line has moistures in the line and it gets it, frozen. My brother-in-law actually said he's had to go underneath this entire building to actually get it unfrozen one time because there was that much moisture in the line. That would suck. Not pretty under there. It's very cobwebby and not much room. But it's up and running, and hope you guys found it informational. If you guys have any, out there that need help getting things going like that, I'll be glad helping out. And subscribe, and hope you guys the best.